What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear your cache in Google Chrome. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you're inside Chrome, go ahead and click the three dots on the uppermost right side, then click on settings. Then from here on the left hand side, click on privacy and security. Then at the top here, you have delete browsing data. So you want to click on that. Now from here, you can choose last hour all the way up to all time and just go ahead and select that. Now from here, you want to uncheck all the boxes that says cookies and other sites, download history, and even browsing history, and leave cache image and files selected. And as you can see, if I go ahead and click delete data, it will clear about 320 megabytes of free space. And this is how you easily go ahead and clear your cache in Google Chrome. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.